What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Hey, I'm just dropping this quick video, kind of reintroduction to the channel for all those of you who have been watching my videos and have been subscribing during the winter. Hey, I appreciate the support, man. That's pretty dope. Yeah, this winter has been pretty crazy. I've had several members with COVID. COVID is still a thing, and so yeah, and we've had ice and snow and just frigid weather. So actually just last week I was pretty sick, man. I luckily I just had a cold, but yeah, it got me down for a couple days, so I had to miss work. Yeah, so I'm just getting back. We've had a few nice days here in the Midwest, and yeah, so I just wanted to say hi and you know, welcome to all the new subscribers. And if you've been supporting my channel, hey, I appreciate you tuning into these videos. It's pretty cool. It's fun to make them, and yeah, just be part of the community, so that's pretty dope too. So pretty much my winter has been up and downs, weather, and just family members being sick, including myself. So I have not been able to ride my bike as much as I want to, but we're out today here in downtown, and just cruising around. I just finished working a long day. Yeah, just kind of, yeah, it was fun, good day, and the fact that I get to ride a bike to work, to and from work, makes it even better. So yeah. And if you're tuning in today, man, let me know if you guys been riding this winter. Has the weather been decent wherever you guys are in the world? And I also want to remind you guys that we're almost to 225 subscribers, and I'm gonna go ahead and send someone a free Super 73 cup holder, so be on the lookout for that. And I'm gonna post a link to that video here, and just drop a comment. Super 73 cup holder contest, and we'll make sure to include you for the drawing. Alright guys, well, this is all that I got for today. Again, I just wanted to drop a little video for you guys and let you guys know that I'm looking to get back on riding more often. Spring is almost here, so winter is not completely gone, but we're almost through winter. So yeah, we're gonna get back to riding. I got some more video options and ideas, so make sure to stay tuned. And thanks again, man. I appreciate you guys, like I said, for the support. I may have an opportunity to make more content this weekend while we're out fishing, and I'm gonna go take my Super 73 there and see if we can get something for you guys. All right, thanks again, and we'll catch you guys soon on the next one. Peace.